Welcome back, VLA PE. This is week 5. Glad to be back with you. Let's talk about one of my favorite fruits, a banana. A banana provides all kinds of vitamins and minerals. Some of them help keep your skin healthy. Some of them help give you energy. I do lots of long bicycle rides, and I almost always, have a banana with me to help with energy. It also helps with your heart health, blood pressure, and one of the things that people don't know is it helps you with your moods and feelings. So eat plenty of bananas. Also, if you haven't noticed, I'm standing by the kindness tree. One of my favorite quotes is, "In a world where you can be anything, be kind." People need that today. Work on kindness and respect for all the people in your family and all the people that you meet. So this week for the warm-ups and for your fitness fun, which is a little dice workout fun, I'm going to use some other videos that I had made previously because I'm not able to do them with you this week. I had a minor accident last weekend, so I will hopefully be back to doing some fitness fun with you next week. Let's start on our warm-ups. We'll start with our jumping jacks, 5 of each kind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job. Skier jumps, we'll do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. When we do push-ups today, we're going to work a little bit on getting a muscle tired. One way to do that is to do the exercise. Rest, repeat, rest, repeat. All right, and do that 3 or 4 times. If you never get a muscle tired, it never gets stronger. So we're going to start with push-ups. Remember, you challenge yourself at whatever level you're at. If you're still working on just holding push-up position, hold that as long as you can. Then rest, then repeat. If you're doing push-ups, do as many as you can, and then rest and repeat. So I'm going to do 7 or 8 just as an example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I put my knees down and rest. Probably my rest would be about 15 or 20 seconds normally. I'm going to go ahead and go back up and do another 7 or 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feeling good. I can get my muscles a little bit tired too. I'd rest again about 15 or 20 seconds and do another 7 or 8. Or maybe if I couldn't do 7 or 8, I'd do 5, 6, whatever I could do. You've got to get a muscle tired in order to get it stronger. Same thing with plank. Go down to your elbows, toes, hold it as long as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If that's the most you can do, knees down. Take about a 15 or 20 second rest. And then do it again. I know that's not quite 15 or 20 seconds. I'm just showing you as an example. Knees up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you do what you can do. Challenge yourself. Go as far as you can go. Rest, repeat, and do that at least 2 or 3 times. Now we'll move to our stretching. 1 leg bent, 1 leg straight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Legs wide like the letter V. I'm going to go down the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. Today we're going to do Panther Pete's Dice Fitness Fun. If you have some small dice, large dice, use one of these. If you don't have dice, you can use these stones. I picked up 6 stones, put some numbers on them, and you can use those as well. What you're going to do, roll the dice. And my dice came up as a 5. On the Panther level, I would take 5 plus 5 and do 10 crab kicks. If you're going to do the challenge level, take your 5 plus 10 and do 15 crab kicks. And I'm going to take the challenge level because I want the challenge of the exercise. So I'm going to do 15 crab kicks, which look like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 15. Then if you're using stones, shake those stones up a little bit, and I'm going to pull a stone out, and I got the number 6. If I'm doing the Panther level, I do 11. 6 plus 5 would be 11 jump ropes. If I'm doing the challenge level, and yes, I'm taking the challenge level, I'm going to do 16 with my pretend jump rope. So get your arms out here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to show you each exercise. If you roll a 1, you do push-ups. So it's either 1 plus 5 would be 6, or 1 plus 10 would be 11 for the challenge level. So push-ups. If you're having trouble with push-ups, you can do shoulder touches as well if you'd rather do shoulder touches. But you definitely do shoulder touches on the challenge level. If you get a number 2, 2 would be curl-ups or sit-ups. So you're going here, put your hands here. Some people like to have hands behind the head. And you're doing sit-ups or curl-ups. If you get a number 3, then you're going to do some ninja squats. So get your hands out here. You're going to go here. Hi-ya! Ninja squat number 2. Ninja squat here. Make sure you keep your head and shoulders up. Go low and slow. Come up and get a nice kick out there with your leg. If you're doing a number 4, if you hit a number 4, then you're just doing jumping jacks. 1. If you want to change up your jumping jack a little bit, switch your feet. 1, 2, 3. So let's review catching for a few minutes. Catching, remember, reach, grab, and give. Those are 3 cues. So you do reach up, grab. Give means to bend your elbows and bring it towards your body. Reach, grab, and give. So 3rd through 6th grade, let's see if we can move through some of these a little quicker, and I'll give you a couple more challenges that I didn't give you last week. So do at least 5 where you catch with 2 hands. All right, clap and catch. Do at least 5 of those. Maybe 5, one hand, 5 with the other hand. Do a little rainbow. All right, you can work through some of these pretty quickly. They might be easy for you. All right, but when you get to under the leg and catch, this is level 6 now. Level 6. All right, I do want you to do 10 of those. And remember how to make that harder? Try to toss and catch with the same hand. And some other challenges you can try. All right, see if you can do behind the back. Work on that toss. How about the other way? Oh, my sock ball is coming undone. All right, another one you can try is to put your, this will probably work better with a sock ball. If you put the sock ball on your foot, all right, pop it up and catch it. Whoa. Let me see if I can do another one. And another challenge you can try. See if you can lay on the floor and toss and catch while you're laying down. Even go a little higher. The higher you go, it makes it a little harder. And try 10 of those or more. And again, make up some of your own challenges. There's tons of things you can do to challenge yourself with catching with any kind of a ball. We're going to focus on underhand toss this week as well. With underhand toss, you want to face your target, swing your arm, step with. Do you know which foot to step with? Step with the opposite foot and then toss. So it's going to be swing, step, toss. Practice that again. Swing, step, toss. All right, so as your arm comes forward, you're taking a step. We're going swing, step, toss. So I want you to practice this a couple of different ways. The first way is make sure you have some kind of a ball, laundry basket, some kind of a bucket. Place your target down. My target is the laundry basket. I'm going to start maybe, let's go 1, 2, 3 steps away. All right, toss. Now go 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step and toss. Then let's go 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, swing, step, and toss. And keep going. See how many steps back you can get and still get your sock ball or whatever ball you're using into your container. Do that at least 2 times. See if you can beat your score. How far back can you get and still toss it into your target? Next, we're going to do a fun little underhand tossing game called Paper Ball Knockout Challenge. Similar to knockout if you're playing knockout with a basketball, but you can do this by yourself because you're going to challenge me and challenge yourself. So you got a paper ball, got a plastic cup, you need a rock, something to put in the cup, just to make sure the cup doesn't tip over all the time. You're going to need something to mark a line. I'm going to use a yardstick. You could use a piece of rope. You could use a pillow, anything to mark a line. Also, you have a blanket. I have a blanket on the floor here. I'm going to put my cup in the middle of the blanket. All right, I'll back up probably 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this will be a 2-minute challenge. 2-minute challenge. Your goal is go behind your tossing line, underhand toss it to the cup. If you make it, you go back. We just keep track of how many times you make it. Those are your points. If you miss it, pick up your paper ball, stand outside the blanket, and toss and keep going until you make it. Keep track of how many keep track of how many cups you make during the 2 minutes. Are you ready for the paper ball knockout challenge? So we're going to go for 2 minutes. All right, I'm going to start the timer. As soon as that timer starts, I am going. See how many times I can get this ball in that cup. Ready? Go. Crazy. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. hit. Eleven points for me for the paper ball knockout challenge. All right, see if you can beat me and then challenge yourself to beat your own score. Have a great day.